Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Alchemy. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Alchemy broke out a very big and long-term down trend line resistance after the breakout from a descending triangle. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, we had a pullback. And while retesting the previous resistance, the downtrend line resistance that support the price and is now breaking it down once again. You can see that this was a quite long-term resistance. You had rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. And now, despite the candlestick, the previous candlestick was closed above this resistance, but now we are moved down. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, and even on the daily time frame chart, so far this candlestick is not closed below this support. However, I was showing you another support that can be also extreme demand zone as well, and that was here at 3.25 cents. That was recently breaking at the resistance here, but if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that previously, when first time we were ejected by this resistance, this downtrend and resistance, the price and was bounced here in the month of January 2022 by this support. And this was the support that I was telling you that now again can break as a strong support. By the way, here it had been breaking other resistance as well. And now, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, even on the hourly time frame chart, it will be more visible. Then you can see that the price is bouncing from this support, and now it is about to hit this resistance, the downtrend line, long-term downtrend and resistance once again. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this recent breakout from this descending triangle, from this falling wedge pattern, and a very, very massive breakout that is happening here on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. Then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is a trade setup for XRP. You just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, like this trade setup I shared on 18th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Alchemy. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And recently, you can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this descending triangle. And the technical target for this breakout from this triangle that I was telling you even before the breakout was here. That was approximately at 4 cents. And you can see that the price and rallied beyond that target, but got rejected by this long-term resistance of 5 cents. This is a very long-term resistance, by the way. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously we got rejection here by this 5 cents resistance in the month of March 2024. And here in the month of Feb 2023, we got rejected and almost got rejected by the resistance here as well in the month of March 2022 as well. Therefore, again, despite this long spike, the price could not break it out. And now we are again breaking down this very long-term support, the downtrend line support that was previously breaking at the resistance. Now we need to keep an eye on the daily and weekly closing of the candlesticks. I'm expecting that if we will have a daily closing below this candlestick, then again, it can act as a resistance. However, this is quite long-term resistance. We can also watch the weekly closing above or below this support as well. Now, here we have a very strong support that is here at 3.25 cents. That was previously breaking as support here when we had this big drop in the month of January 2022. And here it was working at the resistance. And here for a few weeks, you can see that it was working at the resistance. And now again, it worked at a very nice support. If you take a look at the 1 hour time frame chart, then you can see that the price line is nicely bounced from the support. We dropped down at this support. We had some price accumulation, and now it is gearing up and about to hit this long-term downtrend line resistance once again. Now, if we take a look at the previous breakout from this falling wedge pattern, then we have already hit the target for the breakout from this wedge pattern as well that I've been telling you was here at the top of the wedge at 4.5 cents. And you can see that after the breakout from this wedge, the price and pumped below that, beyond that target. And now if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that move is still due. That target can be here at the top of this wedge. That will be approximately at 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.